Hello everyone and welcome to the Easy Drawing Time channel. Today we are going to draw and color unicorns from My Little Pony. Let's start drawing. At first I'm going to draw a big rectangle. Then I divide it into 6 small squares like this. Pinkie Pie. She is a student at Canterlot High School and drummer for the Rainbows. Amazing! Princess Twilight Sparkle. Her cutie mark, a 6-pointed star, represents her talent for magic and her love for books and knowledge. Rarity. Her cutie mark, a trio of diamonds, represents her talent for prospecting gemstones and her love of art and beauty. Fluttershy. Her cutie mark, a trio of butterflies, represents her talent as an animal caretaker and her love for nature. Rainbow Dash. Her cutie mark, a rainbow-colored lightning bolt with a cloud, represents her talent for speed and her obsession with adventure. Applejack. Her cutie mark, a trio of apples, represents her talent for agriculture and her love for her family. Now, I'm going to use this thick black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. Pinkie Pie. Amazing. Princess Twilight Sparkle. I love my pen. Rarity. Fluttershy. I love my pen. Rainbow Dash. Applejack. Let's color all the boxes with the colors of the rainbow. Light red. Orange. Yellow. Light green. Light blue. Purple. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.